My name is Seth Howell. I'm studying computer science and I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So, as I said earlier, one of the biggest things that drew me to Sattler was the Oxford model. And just to give you some background, I'll compare it to my education. I grew up going to a public school, and all the way up through high school, the education model was like this. I would go to class every day, learn something new from the teacher. Maybe he or she would give a lecture, or maybe they would give us some video to watch or something like that, and then we would practice it in class and do some homework assignments, and it continued on like that. And most of the colleges I was applying to also had this model of going to class and having a lecture, and you take notes in your notebook or on your laptop, you study them, you memorize them, and then you go and you spew it all out on a test. Now, when I came to Sattler with the Oxford model, the entire impetus of learning and engaging with material was placed on myself. And we as students at Sattler have to take primary texts and have to do our own research and engage with material in order to actually learn it and embody it and process it in a meaningful way. And so I came here the first semester and I had biology class and I had oral communication and expository writing, statistics, and history. And in each of these classes, there was some level of teaching from the professor, but how it worked was I would go home with a textbook, I would go home with a primary source, maybe Plato, maybe Aristotle, maybe a biology textbook, and I would engage the material, I would take my own notes, I would organize the ideas and discuss them with my roommates, discuss them with other students, and then come to class having wrestled with the ideas and learned the things that were assigned to me, and then in class we would actually go and engage with that material. And in some classes we would debate it, in some classes we would ask questions to the professor who was a professional in that field. And this model of learning the material on our own equips us to then go and apply it in our communities, to go and apply it in our everyday life. And importantly, it equips us for a job, because then we can go and take all of these ideas from school, whether they're in mathematics or in science or philosophy, religion, and we can go and apply them and create in a meaningful way. And so the Oxford model, I think, has been one of the most meaningful experiences here at Sattler.